Okay, I have the first person with me on the red carpet today. Can we meet you?
MC Lai is my name, a comedian and a crazy guy.
A crazy guy. What do you mean by crazy?
Because that's what I do. I
That's what
just
you do.
that's what
That's what you do. Okay, so what would you be doing here today? Are you performing or something?
I'm not sure I'll be performing. I'll just be doing what I love to do best, which is making people laugh, crack people up, and all that. I'm not a performer actually.
Okay, guys, I have on the red carpet with me MC Le. Is it Leo? I don't want to
Say,
mispronounce.
if you say layer, that means you are talking from a perspective of English. You understand? So
Okay.
it's Omolayo,
Omolayo.
MC Layo.
MC Lai. Okay, you're the host for today, right? So what should we expect from you?
You should come around to have number one, love. We are sharing love. As you can see, I'm with my popcorn. Make sure you share love.
can I eat
Of course. There is love in sharing.
I
You
love
can
sharing.
have the mindset that as you've taken that popcorn, you are giving me your phone number, Kwaya.
I should give you my phone number because of popcorn. Should I spit it?
No, you can't spit it.
Should I spit it out? It's nice meeting you. It's nice meeting you. Do enjoy the show. Enjoy. Thank you.